Hello viewers. Today I will show you how to create this logo reveal in After Effects. So let's start. At first, create a compositions called Traverse City Consultant and background color is white. Double-click in Project tab for import our logo file. Make confirm as a composition, then import. Double-click on Traverse Logo 02 composition to open in timeline. Select all layer and right-click, then create shapes from vector layers. Delete all vector layer. Add trim path for stroke animation. Open trim path. Make start value 50 and end value 50. Go to 2 second and make start value 0 and end value 100. Select all keyframe and press F9 to ease them. Go to Graph Editor and make keyframes smoothly. I will add trim paths in the same way to the rest of the layers. Align all layer properly. Make this animation 2 seconds long. Double-click on Project panel for Import Logo file. Make confirm as a composition, then import. Double-click on Traverse Logo 02 composition to open in timeline. Select all layer and right-click, then create shapes from vector layers. Delete all vector layer. Draw a line according to logo element. Make stroke larger than layer 2 outline. Add trim path for stroke animation. Open trim path. Make start value 50 and end value 50. Go to 2 second and make start value 0 and end value 100. Select all keyframe and press F9 to ease them. Go to Graph Editor and make keyframes smoothly. Drag shape layer 1 to top of the layer 3 outlines. Make layer 3 outlines blend mode into alpha matte. Adjust timing for animation. the same way we will draw the rest of the logo lines and make them alpha matte to complete the logo animation. To see how the logo was created, click on the I button. If you like this tutorial, then like, comment and share this video. Subscribe now if you are new to this channel. If you want to download this template, then I will put the download link in the description of the video. From there you can download and use it. I am saving the project called Traverse City Logo Reveal. I brought Traverse City Logo Composition and Traverse City Logo 2 Composition to the Traverse City Consultant Composition timeline. Align all layer properly. Pre-compose both layer into logo icon. Select layer and press S for scale properties, then scale it according to your composition size. We write the name Traverse City Consulting. Change the text color according to our logo. Align logo text into middle of the compositions. Change font style into bold. Increase text size and align them properly. I am writing the rest of the text and fixing the color and size of the set. Decrease the font size of consulting. Select the Traverse City text and place the cursor at 3 seconds 5 frames. Then go to the Effects panel and go to Animation Presets, then Text, then Animation In, and apply the Fade Up character effect. Press Ctrl or Command D to duplicate this layer. Change stroke color into fill color. Press U for viewing keyframes. I am spacing the keyframes at 1.5 second intervals to reduce the animation duration. Align the keyframes for better animation. The animation duration is further reduced to 1 second, you can take it as you like. In the same way I will animating the consulting text with same effects. Go to Traverse Logo Composition and increasing stroke width of logo icon for better view. Select all text layer and precompose it called text. Precompose the text composition and logo icon composition into logo. Create a shape for object highlighting. Select Shape Layer 1 and press P for position properties. Create a keyframe of 5 seconds 5 frame. And go to 6 seconds 5 frame to close the animation. Drag the object to the right side. Select all keyframe and press F9 to ease them. Go to Graph Editor and make keyframes smoothly. Control or Command D to duplicate logo layer and make blend mode alpha on shape layer 1. Select the logo layer and press S for scale properties. Make scale properties 102%. Apply Gaussian blur effect on this layer and increase blurriness what you want. Control or Command D to duplicate these layer. Align 10 frame later on previous layer. Select all layer and precompose it called logo comp. Make layer style 3D. Select Logo Comp Layer and press R for rotation properties. Bring the cursor on first and create a keyframe on X rotation value 61. Also set a keyframe on scale properties and value is bigger than screen. Reduce the scale properties value to 250 and align keyframe as you like. Select all keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Our logo reveal is complete for export. Go to File, then Export, press Add to Render Queue. If you want to export without background, then make sure Video Format, AV, and Channel, RGB plus Alpha. Or if you want to export with background, then make sure Video Format, QuickTime, and Channel, RGB. Then press OK. Select File Location and press Render. If you like this tutorial, then like, comment and share this video. Subscribe now if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching.